and then I'll answer the door. Okay. To my crib. Come on in. So you right now are in the hallway of my brand new flat. First over here we've got a nice big cupboard. It's actually huge. Oh my god. Anyway, and then in here, ow, nearly took my finger off. We have my lounge. So in here we have the kitchen, which is going to get completely ripped out. And hopefully, fingers crossed, this wall will be smashed through into the lounge area to make a whole open plan kitchen and dining room. There's not really much to show right now. It's just an empty, gutted, like old flat. So this is gonna be my studio. It's just the second bedroom. It's really echoey. I don't even know if you guys can hear me properly. But yeah, this is gonna be where I make the magic happen with work. I'll show you where the magic happens in my love life now. So this is a big cupboard as well, like literally huge. And then in here is where the personal magic happens. This is my master bedroom. This is getting all ripped out and new wardrobe will be put in. This is where I'm going to be having my beauty sleep. Oh, I'm very excited. This is like such old-fashioned wardrobes. And they go really deep as well, Mum. Like there's a whole arm length of mine in this corner, which means, wow, okay. I'm in love with my flat. I love her so much. And apparently the people who made this building, right? Made the building? I don't know, but they're Jewish. So there was, what's it called on the door?
Mezuzah.
There was a mezuzah on
each door
of the flat, which means that this flat has been blessed by a rabbi, right?
Yeah, but it's on each flat in the building, not only this flat.
Yes, because the whole building was like made by Jewish people, which finding that out on the day you move in is just like this is the place I was meant to be, tally hoes. Let's see if the lights work well. Oh, they do. So this is my bathroom. It's actually huge for a bathroom. And this whole wall space is not getting used, so it will be a nice walk-in shower with a bathtub. Let's get rid of the avocado bathroom, tally hoes. This is pure avocado vibes. We love it, but we don't love it. We need to get it out of here at the same time. There's a really weird thing in the toilet, which I'm gonna show you. What is that? It looks like an octopus coming out of it. There you go, Mum. And then in this cupboard, this is where my washing machine is gonna go. It's a huge cupboard again. I feel like there's a lot of storage in this flat. We just need to rejig it, basically. And then the last room to show you is a guest bathroom. Oh, it doesn't work. But it's another avocado bathroom in here. We've got builders coming all next week, so this place is not gonna look the same. I'm so excited to show you guys when I finished getting my magic hands on it. Yeah, I love you guys. This wouldn't be possible without you. I love you, and I'm so appreciative of every single one of you. And yeah, I'll see you very soon for my next video. Hope you enjoyed this.